The best dash cams 2021 for your next road trip. For most people, a dash cam on the lower or middle range of the price spectrum will be more than enough, and there's no shortage of solid options to choose from between $100 and $250 or so. That will get you a camera that continuously records video and automatically saves it in the event of an accident, potentially giving you some much-needed evidence if there's a dispute over who's at fault. Most dash cams in that price range will also log quality video, usually 1080p or 1440p resolution, with decent low light performance, so you'll be able to see anything that occurred while you were driving at night. Many also have a small built-in screen to let you quickly review footage and set up the camera itself. 1. Cobra SC200D. The best thing about the SC200D is its color screen. That makes pairing this to a phone over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which you can still do, unnecessary for live viewing. Driving around during testing, we always saw what the camera was capturing right on that screen. And while a lot of units pair with a backup camera, most have to be wired into the license plate wiring harness and only give a bumper perspective. We dig this Cobra because its rear-facing camera is actually designed to be mounted to the rear window, so we had a clear view down the road behind the car. Cobra also includes a lot of bells and whistles, too, such as alerts for lane keeping and warnings if the driver ahead suddenly slams on their brakes. 2. Cobra Road Scout. If you want both a dash cam and a radar detector, your windshield is going to be very crowded, obstructing the forward view. The solution is the Road Scout, which combines both functions in one smartphone-size unit. On the radar side, it let us set frequent locations on our route, things like red light cameras, which other users can mark and populate in the app. The unit gave voice prompts when it identified a band, too, so we didn't have to take our eyes off the road. And a mute button right on the 12 volts power point let us silence warnings if we wanted. 3. Thinkware Q800 Pro. The Q800 Pro's forward-facing camera offers what Thinkware calls quad high definition, meaning that its images are 4 times as detailed as standard HD, 1440p resolution. We put that claim to the test when a 4Runner rear-ended a sedan a few hundred feet ahead of us. Despite the distance, we could zoom in on the scene and clearly see what happened. 4. Garmin Dashcam 56. Garmin's Dashcam 56 is a somewhat modest update over the company's popular Dashcam 55, but it does come with a few key upgrades that give it a clear edge over the previous model. Chief among those is a lens with a wider field of view, 140 degrees compared to 122, which will let you capture more of your surroundings while driving. Video footage is the same 1440p resolution as before, but Garmin's new Clarity HDR feature promises to provide increased detail in low light situations. 5. 8-man C450. As you'd expect with any dash cam under $50, the 8-man C450 comes with its share of trade-offs. Don't plan on built-in GPS or any driver assist features, for starters. The dash cam has a decent 3-inch LCD, and will record 1080p video onto a micro SD card up to 32 GB in size, which isn't included. The company also touts a Super Night Vision feature, but that's a bit deceptive. It's simply a large aperture f1.8 camera that offers improved low light performance.